Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, open the settings of your phone. Then find the battery settings. In here we have the battery saver right here and enable use battery saver. Then go into the display, lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness, disable the enhancement HDR brightness, disable always on display, screen timeout shorten to around a minute, dark theme enable, and in here also you can go from the top scroll and then disable every feature you're not currently using, for example, a Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.